Here is our problem. We need to find the first 5 odd numbers and write them in a special way called tabular form. That just means we list them inside curly brackets. Let's do it together. Let's first remember what odd numbers are. Odd numbers are numbers that we cannot split into two equal parts, like 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. They always have one left over when we try to share them equally between two friends. Let's start counting. The very first odd number is 1. Can we split 1 into two equal parts? No, we cannot. So 1 is odd. The next odd number is 3. If we try to share 3 candies between two friends, one friend gets 1 extra. So 3 is odd. After 3 comes 5. We skip 4 because 4 is even. 5 is our third odd number. Next, we skip 6 and land on 7. That is our fourth odd number. We skip 8 and get to 9. Now we have all 5 odd numbers. Let's put them together. Here are our 5 odd numbers all in a row. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now we just need to write them in the set way with curly brackets. And here is our final answer. We write the letter A, then an equals sign, then put all 5 numbers inside curly brackets with commas between them. Great job, that is tabular form.